Hello everyone, this is Dr. Vishal Gandhi from Ahmedabad, India. I am a microendodontics specialist and my last 8 years of practice is all dedicated to endodontics. Along with a hardcore clinician, I am also an educator in the field of endodontics and having my own endodontic course called Endorite where I teach dentists all about endodontics. I would like to thank first the whole team of MetaBiomed, a legendary South Korean company in dentistry, for having the best and in fact the biggest contest in the world of endodontics, Saving the Natural Tooth contest. And a special mention and thanks to Julia Gion for organizing a great and a memorable contest. A big congratulations, dear Julia. A global contest like this always motivates and push dentists to do best and improve themselves on their personal standards. You guys are really doing amazing job. Second, to all dear and respected judges, thank you for believing in me and my work. I am more pleased to get review from all of you for my case. Yes, you all have chosen me as a winner, but if there is a slight scope for improvement, we'll work hard to improve myself. And third, most important, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of my dear friends, colleagues and social media followers for showering votes for me. I am truly amazed by getting all support and love from all of you, not only from India but from whole world. I don't have words to describe how good I feel, except my sincere gratitude all of you. Yes, it is such an honor for me to become champion, but more of that, I feel more responsible now to carry on and do more good and better work in field of endodontics. Thank you all of you. Let's come to the case which has earned me the championship of the contest. Endodontic is actually all about root canal anatomy, its identification, cleaning of root canal system and filling, obturating in three-dimensional manner. And this case was actually the best example of all of the above. Case was challenging as it was dense in dente. To be more specific, Euler's type 3A where dents gets open laterally in periodontal ligament through pseudoforamen. Pre-op CBCT helped to see and understand this very complex anatomy. Microscope is very handy in managing this kind of cases. You have to be more conservative while dealing this type of cases as margin of error will be very less. I got entry for dents from buccal side and main canal through lingual side. A CM files like Aurum Blue from MetaBiomed saves dentine and gives more flexibility during shaping. When you have seen an isthmus between main and dense canal in pre-op radiograph itself, cleaning out of root canal system anyways becomes more important. A 3D cleaning protocol helped me a lot for cleaning the entire root canal system and to fill this complex anatomy. A calcium silicate flow sealer like Cerasil becomes peace of mind for this case. I just love Cerasil for its flow, for super convenient during cleaning in post-obturation, and I think if you see follow-up radiograph, I don't need to say what magic it does. The best sealer currently in the market. So when you are dealing with dents, make sure you have a good diagnostic X-ray, a good CM wire files, a good 3D irrigation protocol, and most important, a good flow of bioceramic. Thank you.